Atkins Civil 3D video series, Storm 3B, Construct Storm Profiles, Paralleiling Roads. This video illustrates A. Draw storm pipe network and profile. B. Determine controlling elevation for storm system. C. Draw layout lines for top of pipe profile. And D. Adjust storm pipe invert elevation. The drawing shows two viewports with plan on top and profile on bottom. All layers have been turned off except C-Storm, Road Concrete Curb Improvement, Existing Road Names, and C3D Profile View to allow easy selection of the C-Storm parts. The road alignment stationing and road profile views are generally used for the storm objects that are installed within or in close proximity to the road. Draw the construct storm network parts in the road profile views. Pick the structures and pipes along a road that is associated with a single profile view. Move cursor and right-click, draw parts in profile view, select the appropriate profile view. Repeat until all construct storm parts have been drawn in profile. Does not matter if you pick a previous part. It's good to right-click every so often and draw parts in profile view. The controlling elevation for the storm drain system west of 47th Street is a crossing of the 8-inch sewer pipe at station 26 plus 53. The sewer outlet invert elevation at the new manhole at 26 plus 53 is 437.63. The sewer slopes downstream towards 47th at a grade of 0.40%. The elevation of the top of the sewer pipe at the RC box will be slightly less than 438.4. The bottom thickness of the RC box is less than 12 inches. The invert elevation of the RC box at the sewer pipe crossing is set at 439.90, which will provide a minimum clearance of 6 inches between the RC box and the sewer pipe. There is less than 65 feet of RC box from the sewer pipe crossing to the junction box with curb inlet at station 26 plus 11. The outlet invert elevation of the RC box at the junction box is set at 440.10. Pick junction box, move cursor right click, structure properties, connecting pipes, outlet pipe, 440.10, enter. Set the inlet pipe at 200ths above 440.12. Set the inlet pipe of the 24-inch RCP at 441. Part properties, reference surface, kin top surface, alignment kin crown, sump behavior 0. Apply, OK. There is also a controlling elevation at the southwest corner of 46 and Kincaid where the RC box crosses a sewer pipe. The cross-section of this sewer pipe is shown in profile view inside the manhole. A 19-inch long temporary line, 6.3 feet at 4:1 scale, is drawn vertically upward from the soffit of the sewer pipe. The end of this vertical line represents the invert elevation of the RC box that would provide a minimum clearance of 6 inches between the bottom of the RC box and the top of the sewer pipe. Where possible, there should be a minimum of 12 to 18 inches clearance between the bottom of the curb and the top of the RC box to allow space for the installation of water and gas mains and service pipes. A temporary layout polyline is drawn along the Kincaid south side or right top of curb profile. Two copies of the temporary top of curb layout polyline are shown. One at a vertical distance of 2.5 feet or 10 feet at 4:1 scale below the top of curb profile, and the other at a vertical distance of 3.0 feet or 12 feet at 4:1 scale below the top of curb profile. The copy lines represent the 12 and 18-inch clearance lines for the top of the RC box. Adjust the invert elevation for the pipe downstream of the structure at 26 plus 11. Pick the outlet pipe from the structure. Move the cursor right-click. Pipe Properties. Part Properties tab. Pipe Slope. Hold to start. Pick the current. Enter minus 0.32 for the percent slope of the pipe. Apply. OK. Escape. The modification to the RC box is shown in profile with the correct top and bottom thicknesses. Pick the short section of downstream pipe. Pick the upstream invert glyph. With snap on, pick end of previous pipe. Escape. Pick the downstream section of pipe. Move cursor right click. Pipe Properties. Pipe Slope, hold start, minus 0.32%. Apply. OK. Pick the pipe between the structures at 26 plus 11 and 25 plus 33. Move cursor and right click. Pipe Properties. Pipe Slope, hold in, 0.32 for the percent slope. Enter. Apply. OK. Escape. Pick the structure. Move cursor and right click. Structure Properties. Connected pipes. Outlet pipe. Pick the invert of the inlet RC box. Set at 200ths higher, 440.39. Enter. Pick the crown of the inlet pipes. Set approximately 1 foot below the crown of the outlet pipe, 444.4. Pick the other one, 444.4. Enter. Apply. Part Properties. Check the surface reference, the reference alignment. Insert rim behavior. Check. Sump depth. 0. Enter. Apply. OK. This is a junction box with a curb inlet installed on top. Pick the top glyph. Move vertical downward. The top cannot be moved below the top of the connecting RC boxes, and pick. Repeat the procedures for the upstream pipe and boxes. Pipe Properties. Pipe Slope in, 0.32, enter, apply, OK. Escape, pick the structure. Structure Properties. Connected pipes. The outlet pipe. Inlet pipe, 440.66. This is a 42-inch inlet pipe. Set the center line of the pipe approximately equal to the center line of the outlet pipe, 442.7. Enter. 24-inch RC pipe, same thing. Set at the center approximately equal, 442.7. Enter. Apply. Part Properties. Check surface and alignment. Rim elevation. Sump behavior, 0. Enter. Apply. OK. Pick the top glyph. Move down. OK. Escape. There is a problem with the elevation of the pipes entering the side of the structure at 25 plus 33. Pick the structure. Move cursor right click. Structure Properties. Connected pipes. The crown of the 15-inch RCP should be 1 foot below the crown of the outlet pipe, 443.4. Enter. Repeat for the other 15-inch RCP, 443.4. Enter. Apply. OK. The elevation of the 15-inch RCPs visually look good. Visually check the invert of the RC box where it crosses the sewer around 23 plus 90. The invert is above the 19-inch vertical line, which indicates the RC box may be lowered if desired. Pick the pipe. Move cursor and right click. Pipe Properties. Pipe Slope, hold in. Pick the current slope, 0.40. Enter. Apply. The invert of the box shown below the 19-inch vertical line. Pick another slope, 0.6. Enter. Apply. 1. Enter. Apply. OK. The invert of the RC box is visually near the top of the 19-inch vertical line. OK. The profile of the RC box between 23 plus 00 and 25 plus 00 is shown to be above the temporary profile layout lines that are 2.5 and 3.0 feet below the top of curb, which indicates that any water and gas main pipe that crosses the RC box within this section will have to be installed below the RC box. The present top of curb grade allows surface stormwaters from adjacent property to flow over the curb. It would be difficult to raise the top of curb any significant height. The RC box and sewer main have been designed at minimum grades. To lower the sewer main any further would be at a considerable expense that is not justified. The height of the box could be changed from an 8 by 4 foot to a 12 by 3 foot. In lieu of making any of these modifications, it is concluded to leave the curbs, sewer, and storm drain as presently designed and to install any required water and gas mains below the RC box. Use the 3-foot depth layout lines to continue adjusting the elevation of the pipes and structures. The invert of the inlet pipe to a structure needs to be slightly above the invert of the outlet pipe. Pick the pipe and use the end glyphs to visually move the pipe vertically to the desired location. The invert of the inlet pipe to a structure needs to be slightly above the invert of the outlet pipe. The crown of the outlet pipe needs to be set to where the top is slightly below the 3-foot layout line. Check that the slope of the pipe is adequate. Where the end of the pipe appears to be in la-la land, pick the pipe properties, set the pipe inverts to a reasonable elevation. 449, enter, apply, OK. To adjust pipe inverts in la-la land at a structure, pick the structure, move cursor and right click, structure properties, connected pipes, set the inverts at a reasonable depth. 449, 449, 449, apply, OK. Escape, pick the pipe, right click, pipe properties, 449, enter, apply, OK. Escape, pick the pipe, right click, pipe properties, 449, enter, apply, OK. Continue using pipe end glyphs to set the pipes at the desired elevations. Escape. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.